Here's the WPC outlook. Yes, a flash flood emergency in a slight flood risk. My heart goes out to everyone who was affected, and I wish everyone a speedy and successful recovery.
I can't believe this is happening, oh my god.
Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar and automated images. Impact, this is a particularly dangerous situation. See higher ground now. Life-threatening flash flooding in low water crossings. Small creeks and urban areas. Extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Do not attempt to travel unless you are fleeing an
Oh my god. This is my first FFW, oh my god.